sir. Now are you getting my voice, sir?
Yeah, I'm getting your voice. Share your screen.
Okay, sir.
Screen share करो अपना.
Okay, sir. Just wait, sir. Are you able to see my screen, sir?
Yes.
This is I'll also prepare my front end as well, sir. User registration forms.
Oh, okay, super.
Yes, sir. Can I?
Yeah, you close the developer tools and open that. Close the developer tool. Right. Huh.
Just I'll give you demo, sir. So this and this. Just a second.
Okay, your drop downs also working.
Yes, sir. Sorry. मेल जाना है ना उस पर वैरायटी में सर. इस now this project. User saved successfully. Now go to Gmail, sir. I got the mail from my yes. This one, sir. I got the mail.
Yeah. Open
Yes.
that. Yeah. You no need to display the complete URL. You can just simply make it as unlock account as a hyperlink.
Yes, sir.
आपको मेल 2 बार आया क्यों?
नहीं एक्चुअली क्या सर क्या है कि रिकॉर्ड इसमें 2 बार है तो इसमें थोड़ा सर मुझे करना है बाकी सब कुछ ठीक है थोड़ी यहाँ पर आ गया सर ये आ चुका है रिकॉर्ड
ठीक है. It is a local database or it is a cloud database?
Cloud database sir.
Okay, show me your properties file.
Okay.
Application and properties file.
Okay sir. This file just it sir. This one, sir.
Very good. Fine, sir. Fine. How much time it took for you, sir?
Sir, it took, that is 5 hours, sir.
5 hours.
Yes.
Very good. So, answer also completed.
No, sir. सिर्फ यूजर रजिस्ट्रेशन पेज पर काम हुआ है और बाकी जो लॉगिन है और उस पर काम कर रहा हूँ वो हो जाएगा 2-3 घंटे हो जाएगा सर.
Okay, so total it took 5 hours for you to.
Yes.
So you are working or fresher?
No, sir. Actually, I am fresher, but I am 2018 pass out, sir.
2018.
MC pass out, sir.
MCA pass out. Okay, now what is your feeling after developing this?
I am feeling very good, sir. Actually क्या था पहले मैं YouTube से बहुत कुछ करता था HTML वगैरह सीखता था लेकिन आप कोर्स ज्वाइन करने के बाद एक कॉन्फिडेंस आ गया कि मैं कंपनी में जाके डील कर सकता हूँ सब कुछ. एक मुझे वो एनवायरनमेंट चाहिए था रियल टाइम एनवायरनमेंट वो आपके बैच आपका कोर्स ज्वाइन करने से मुझे मिल गया. मतलब ऐसा फील होता है कि मैं कंपनी में जाके डील कर सकता हूँ इजीली.
ठीक है, good sir. So you got that analysis that you can work in the company.
Yes sir, yes sir. आपका कोर्स ज्वाइन करने में मुझे कॉन्फिडेंस आ गया, मतलब कि हाँ मैं पहले अंडर कॉन्फिडेंट रहता था सर।
ठीक है, good.
हाँ सर।
So you complete that front end part also, Sanjeev.
Yes sir, your registration is complete sir.
ठीक है, good sir.
Okay sir,
Good job.
Okay sir, thank you sir.
Thank you. And next, Jitendra, did you complete the development? Jitendra Sonkar. Jitendra Sonkar, did you complete this implementation?
Sir, no sir. Actually, I have lot of work office.
Lot of office का काम है.
Yes sir. Sunday भी काम था sir. Deployment जाना है sir.
फिर क्या करेंगे?
Sir, I'll try, but ऑफिस का प्रायोरिटी है ना सर, तो इसकी वजह से.
ठीक है. Dipashri Nale, did you complete your back end? Dipashri Nale, did you complete the? Yeah, hi.
Hello. No sir, it's not completed yet now.
Why?
Sir, I'm getting error.
क्या error आ रहा है? Then why you did not posted that error in the Telegram? We have a group now.
Yes sir.
Then why you have not posted your doubt there? So if you are not interested, I can't do anything. Ashwini, did you complete your assignment? Ashwini T. Devendra? Mr. Devendra, did you complete your task?
Sir, yesterday work I didn't complete sir because in my native there is no power. I was not getting power.
You are in Andhra Pradesh, huh?
Yes sir.
Very good. Nagendra Reddy? Nagendra Reddy Chalmakonda. Did you complete your assignment?
Hello?
Yeah, hi Nagendra.
Sir, no sir.
Why?
For me, I don't have laptop sir.
Then how are you practicing the things?
This time, listening sir.
What is the use of listening to the classman without practice?
It got corrupted sir.
Please repair that laptop. Without laptop, if you listen to the classes, there is no problem. There is no use basically. You have to practice it. Lakshman Doke. Hello, Mr. Lakshman.
Hello.
Yeah, hi, sir.
Sir, I cannot join class for last 2 days. I went to my hometown. That's why I was absent. I'll finish this.
Okay. Sanjana, did you complete your task? Sanjana Garg,
Yeah, hi, sir.
did you complete your task?
Almost. I'm in, I'll be very honest, last two controller API of the last page is left. So while you were taking the session, I was just finishing. I think 10 more minutes I'll be done.
Okay.
This is
Priyadarshini,
last.
yeah, Priyadarshini, what about you? Priyadarshini Parida. Did you complete the task? Priyadarshini, did you complete the task? Hello Priyadarshini, I'm calling your name. Priyadarshini Parida. M Venkat.
Hello.
Yeah, hi Priyadarshini.
Yeah, hi sir. Can you, my voice is audible to you?
Yeah, your voice is audible. Are you done with your assignment for backend? Priya, I can hear your voice. Are you done with assignment?
Hello sir, this is Venkat. Hello.
Yeah, hi Venkat.
Yes sir, I completed some part. I need to complete some more part. So I will complete by today or tomorrow because due to some office work, I'm not able to come. And because only Saturday and Sunday only I'm concentrating. But I
When
completed.
you are already working now, it will not take much time for you.
Ah,
It
yes,
will take
sir.
just 2 to 3 hours only for you.
So, definitely I will complete. Sir. No issue. I will complete.
Sai Baba, Mr. Sai Baba.
Hello?
Yeah, hi sir.
Sir. Yes, sir.
Completed?
No, sir. Some
Right.
part is completed, a little bit of part is pending, sir. Due to my grandfather expired, sir.
Okay.
Saturday evening, I have to went there, and Sunday is full off in my hometown only
Okay.
to complete that.
When you will complete that?
Yeah, today I will complete, sir. Today I came to my home only.
Okay. Anuradha. Anuradha. Anuradha Mahalle.
Hello.
Yeah, hi Anuradha. Did you complete your task? Very good morning.
No, sir, not completely. I must say it's 80% completed.
48 hours of time is not sufficient to complete, huh? Saturday morning, 48 hours is not sufficient to complete the task?
Yeah, it's sufficient, sir, but I have a working on a Saturday, so I just wait yesterday to complete it.
Okay. Vaibhav Belkude, Mr. Vaibhav.
Hello, sir.
Hi Vaibhav, what is your
I have
status?
completed backend, but sir, constant file will be constant file will be today. I will complete because of I have attended interview on Saturday and Sunday. I got selected by company.
Very good, congratulations. Mohit Kare.
हेलो
Yeah, hi Mohit.
हाँ सर एक्चुअली वो जो आपने जैसे लेस सिक्योर एप्स में जैसे आपने कोई प्रॉब्लम आई थी ना वैसी सेम प्रॉब्लम मुझे भी आ रही है सर मेरा भी वो नहीं हो रहा है ये
No. Now see here. I have taken another mail ID. I logged in into I created a separate dummy mail ID. I have created with some dummy name Java project बोल के उस मेल से मैं लेस सिक्योर एप्स खोल रहा हूँ. देखो जावा गूगल पे जाके लेस सिक्योर एप्स you got the first link na let's secure app sign in. When I click on this, right, so for my Ashok IT school account it will not allow because there is a multi-factor authentication for that mail. I created a dummy mail. I'm using the dummy mail to enable the less secure apps. Allow less secure apps on and off. ऐसा कर सकते हैं. दूसरा एक डमी मेल आईडी क्रिएट करके यूज कर सकते हो.
ओके सर है मेरी मेल डमी मेल आईडी.
हाँ उस पे जाके करना. When you don't get the option here, you check which mail it is using. Currently it is using this mail. For this mail I can on and I can off that.
ओके सर
ठीक है.
जी.
What about the remaining? Email functionality is pending. What about the remaining things?
एक्चुअली सर रिमेनिंग थिंग्स सम पार्ट इज पेंडिंग क्योंकि बिकॉज यहाँ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी नहीं थी कल. एक्चुअली ऑफिस का वर्क था संडे को सोचा मैंने करने के लिए बट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी नहीं थी तो लैपटॉप चार्ज नहीं था सर.
Yes, now seriously I'm not understanding what to do. Without you guys are completing this backend, then how can we develop the front end? What is the use of doing the front end development when there is no backend APIs ready? How can you do the front end? Even if I teach the front end also, how can you do it? Because 48 hours of time I have given, you guys are not able to complete. Then what to do? Seriously. We are not, if you are not practicing, are we using any outdated things to do the implementations? Sir, ये use नहीं होता company में, इसलिए I am not practicing. Are we doing any outdated things in the projects? Tell me guys, do you want me to change the tech stack? So that you can complete easily. Servlet, JSP, JDBC. Then what is this? In the entire class, only one person completed the backend. What should I do now? In the entire class, only one person has done the practice. And somebody saying that I got some problem. When you get the problem, why are you waiting for that? We have a group to chat now. We have a group to chat. If you are facing some problem, you should post that problem in our Telegram group so that other people will help you. Other people will help you. Whatever the problem you are facing, you share that in the group. Your group people are there. Some people are able to do that. They will tell you how to resolve that problem. If we go if you go like this, our batch will not complete in another 3 months also. I am not teaching only for money. If I am teaching only for money, I will not give you these assignments. I will not check your assignments. I will just code it. I will just execute it. I will show you output. I will go to next project. I will code it. I will show you output. I will close the batch. But I am giving the assignment. I am giving the assignment. I am giving the time for doing the assignment. I am checking your assignment. I am resolving your problems. But still you people are not serious about it. Maybe you are thinking that this project you are doing for myself. No guys, you are doing it for yourself. You have to realize that. This project you are doing for yourself. I want you to improve your coding skills. Now you observe the difference. Before joining this course, at this moment, almost 3 months completed. 3.5 months completed already. Before joining this course, now, what is your skill set? How much maturity you got as a programmer? You understand that. You compare yourself. You are the best person to compare yourself now. Before 3 months, what was your thought process to do the coding? Now, what is your thought process to do the coding? You understand. We have not completed all the projects that we are going to do in the project batch. Just we completed 1.5. One simple mini project card operations we completed. Second project just backend we are completing. So do you feel any difference in your skills, in your thought process as a programmer? Did you get some maturity? Did you get some maturity or not? How the requirements will come, how to analyze that requirements, how to use the cloud concepts, how to do the backend, how to test the backend, how to do the front end, how the backend and front end will be integrated, requirement kaise analyze karna, how to analyze the database tables, how to analyze the methods and the classes. I hope you got some maturity. If you really take it seriously and complete these projects, then definitely you will get the experience like a 3 to 4 years person. It will give you a lot of confidence to attend the interview. That's the reason I'm giving the task and I'm waiting for you people to complete it on your own. I have already done the coding. If I just want to complete this batch, I can push my code to Git repository and I can share the repository URL. Just 5 minutes a task for me, sharing the code with you. Will I lose anything if I share the code? Will I lose anything if I share that code? I will not lose even single rupee also if I share my code with you. In the last Saturday session only I have completed my backend. I can push my code to the Git repository. I can share the repository URL so that you can download the backend code. That is just 5 minutes of time. But why I am not doing that? Why I am not giving the code? If I give my code, when you get a problem, you will directly open my code, you will copy paste. You will not think. You don't apply your brain to solve the problem. You will have an option to copy if I give the code. You will not get the chance to become a programmer. You will not think on your own if I give my code to you. That's the reason, that's the only reason I'm not giving the code. If I give the code, the batch can complete within 3 months because you will not face any problem because you will copy paste, you will not ask any doubt. I no need to check the assignment because code is already there with you. You can run that code. That is what other trainers will do. Within 3 months, their batches will complete. The reason? No assignment checking, no problem solving. Faculty will write each and every line of code because faculty having experience. He will show the output. You will impress. Ye banda able to complete the code without getting single error also. He is very great faculty. That is not important here. Tomorrow when you go to the company, who will there for you to write the code? You have to do it. How can you write the code on your own? How to resolve the problems on your own? That skill you have to improve now only. I don't want you to struggle once you join in the company. None of the students from Ashoka IT Institute who completed the Java real-time project, none of the students lost the job. Because they are equal to 4 years experienced people in the industry. Our people are far better than 4 years people in the industry because 4 years people also will not know these many tools, will not know cloud, back end, front end and everything. But this batch is completely scrap. For developing a simple backend, you guys are not ready. But reasons, everybody have a reason. Sir, power is not there. Sir, I have office work. I have been to my hometown. I am in journey. मेरा तबीयत ठीक नहीं था. मेरा office का काम था. Everybody is saying some reason. There is no use. Literally, you guys are making me lose my interest. Guys, please understand that I am taking a lot of pain to teach these project batches. Teaching each and everything, each and every tool, giving the coding, doing the coding, checking the code, checking the assignment, resolving everybody problem in the class by taking the screen share, telling that to take that change, make this change, solve the problem. It's lot of burden for me, seriously. It's lot of burden for me. Teaching Spring Boot microservice is very easy. Theoretically, I will explain. I will show one example. I will complete. But project batch is difficult to handle. Because here we are not just talking theory. It is completely practical oriented. I need to tell you how to think, how to do it, how to test it, how to complete it. And I need to check each and everybody, like a school kids assignments. I have to check everybody assignment. And if somebody facing a problem, I have to tell them how to resolve that problem. It's a lot of pain, seriously. think from my side. Think from my side how much painful it is to teach a Java project batch. Other courses not that much difficult because they are theoretical concepts. Theoretically, I will explain what is Spring Boot. I will write one example. I will write 2 lines of code, run, show the output, completed. Go to next topic, auto wiring, inject one class object into another class. You can call one class method another class using auto wiring, concept completed. Simple examples, but project is not like that. You have to use so many things here. Front-end Angular, completely different story. Back-end REST API, completely different. AWS Cloud, completely different. Testing, integration. Apart from that, I need to tell you how to think also. Writing the code, it is not difficult for me. I can do it because I have experience. But I want you to become like me. That is the problem here. I want you people to write the code like me. I want you people to think like me. I'm trying to do that. But you are not cooperating. Yes, basically I have a lot of patience. But still you guys are crossing those limits also. I will never get angry. I have a lot of patience. I will control a lot of my emotions. But still, you people are making me to get irritated. You guys only asked me, sir, 1 day not sufficient, give me 2 days so that we will complete the backend. I have given the 2 days of time. Otherwise, I could have taken the class for you yesterday. Already our batch is running late. Actually, I thought of taking Sunday's long session. Yesterday, all my classes are not available in the morning. I thought of taking the long session for this JRTP. But you guys asked me, 1 day is not sufficient. What is the point of completing the batch without doing the... Sanjala, you told me that point. What is the point of rushing the concepts when we are not confident? That's the reason I cancelled the class yesterday. I gave the time. Again, same thing.
Honestly, I apologize. I'm really sorry. But you know what? I wasn't wasting time. Like, even till last night, I was working till 11:30. So I
am not talking about only you. I'm talking about the entire batch.
But you know what? For me, actually, I'm so confident. Even, though I have not finished my work, but whatever I have done on my own. So, now I feel very different from those YouTube videos. Whenever I used to do REST APIs, I wasn't confident. So you see the pace is slow, but the learning is immense. So this is the silver lining. Yeah, but really sorry. I mean, I'll be.
Yeah, I'm not expecting any sorry from anybody. I'm just trying to say that how I am feeling now.
Yeah, so
it's very painful for me. It's very painful for me because 3.5 months already completed. We have not done our syllabus off yet. Still, we are in the second mini project. I promised 3 mini projects, 1 major project. So, do you think that we can complete within 5 months? Definitely not. If you people are doing like this, then definitely we can't complete within 5 months also. At later point of time, these same people will write a negative review in the Google. He told 3 months and he has taken 6 months for the course. If I take 6 months, am I getting any extra fees? Are you going to do any double payment for me? No. If the course is delaying, that is a loss for me as well, not only for you. You people feel that your time is wasting. At the same time, my time is also wasting. When you guys are not really interested to do the practice, then why to join the course? Why to give trouble to us? You can join another institute. There they will not give any assignment. They will not check any assignment. They will complete the syllabus in 3 months. But here things are not like that. I told you very clearly in the demo session itself. If you join my batch, you should become a full stack developer. You have to practice daily. Assignment bhi deta hu. I will check the assignments also. I am very strict about the assignments. I told that multiple times in the demo session before joining. You people agreed at that time, but now you are not cooperating. If I check your assignment, am I going to get any extra benefit? And am I asking you to pay any extra amount after getting the job? Nothing is there. Did I ask anybody to pay extra fees if you get the job from my course? If I am checking your assignments, are you giving any extra amount for me? If I think commercially, if you think commercially, am I getting anything extra? If I give this assignment, if I check this assignment, if I make you as a full stack developer, nothing. Whatever the fees you pay, that's it. That's 7,000 rupees. It's not only about the money, it's about the passion. If you are teaching only for money, batch can complete in 3 months. I will do the coding. Yes. Saturday I have done the coding. Sunday I will take a class and I will integrate the front end. Code will complete. Go to third project. 1 day third project. 1 day front end. 1 day back end. Khatam. Major project 10 days. Completed. Bye bye. Ram Ram.
Sure.
Why you people are this much careless? I don't understand. When you are not really interested to do this practice and don't want to learn, then don't join the classes. What is the use of waking up early morning at 7 o'clock or 6:30, get ready, sit in front of the laptop and listen to these stories? Why? It's time waste for you. And you are wasting my time also. In the entire class, only 2 people has done. One is Sanjeev, another one is Manikanta. In this entire batch, just 2 people completed the task. Remaining people half completed, somebody not started, somebody is getting some problem. Only 2 people. Manikanta is saying that he has completed that. Sanjeev Kumar has shown the demo. He also completed the back-end parts. Only 2 people in the entire batch. So now, if I teach front-end also, how you can understand when you are not confident about the back-end development? Our main intention for the Java project to do the back-end. But I am teaching earlier, 19 JRTP is the first batch for them. I have explained Angular and AWS. Because I have increased the price for 1,000 rupees. Now I am feeling bad. Just because of the 1,000 rupees, I need to spend 1 month of extra time for this course. AWS 15 days, Angular 15 days. Like other institutes, I can also do the business. Java project 6,000, Angular 5,000, 11,000 I will get. I can teach 2 batches. But I have combined that Angular here and I increased 1,000 rupees and I explained the Angular and AWS. That is the one of the mistake I have done. Now I am feeling that. When you are not ready to learn the things, then why should we give everything for free? We can also run the business, right? Angular batch 5,000 separately. If you want to become full stack, 6,000 for Java project, 5,000 for Angular, 11,000 I will get. Everything we can't do from the commercial standpoint. So that I want to make my students as a full stack developers. Okay, chalo. Let's include the Angular, let's include the AWS. That's the reason I have added those concepts. We want to give more. But I'm not getting that kind of support from you. I expected that everybody will complete the backend and will show the demo today because you have 2 days of time. And that too, every line of code I have written in front of you. It's not like I'm giving you just requirement. I have implemented in the class also. I gave you the notes also. What are the classes we need to take? Packages we need to take. What is the procedure to development also? What are the methods we need to take? After giving that much, still, am I just giving a requirement like in the company, how they will give the requirement, just give the document and ask the coding? No. I told you the requirement, I explained the requirement 2 to 3 times. I have I told you how to analyze that. I told you what classes we need. I told you what packages we need. I told you what methods, and I have done the implementation also. Everything I have implemented in the backend in front of you, including email functionality. How क्या चाहिए भाई? Tell me what you guys are expecting more from me, so that you can complete. Then I will do it. Already this batch is failure. I know that. Because 3.5 months, 4 months completed, still projects are not completed. It's never happened in any of the batch. In the 18 batches completed, in none of the batch I have faced this problem. This is the first time. In my point of view, this is a failure. This is a failure batch. You guys tell me anything, already damage happened. Duration limit already crossed. Still so many things that are pending, which I mentioned in the course content. At any cost, I will complete everything. I will not stop in the middle. I don't leave any topic. Whatever I promised, I will complete it. But you guys tell me what I need to do so that you can complete the assignments. Is there anything that I need to change from my side? If these many people are not able to do, that means something there is wrong. There is some problem. I want to understand what is the problem. After I have done the coding in the class line by line, you guys are not able to do it. That means something is wrong. There is something problem. Some problem is there. I want to understand that problem and I want to fix it. Tell me guys, I'm very serious about it. Tell me what should I change? What I need to do more so that you guys will complete the assignments. Daily, I don't want to waste my time like this. I am not interested to give any pravachnas. I am not interested to motivate you every day because you are not a kid. You all are graduates. Some people are already working. You tell me, what should I do? Because daily my efforts are wasting, my time is wasting. Now from now onwards, I also need to think from the business standpoint. If I complete this batch, this morning 7 o'clock slot is a hot cake. If I start a Spring Boot batch in the morning 7 o'clock, minimum 100 to 150 people I will get this 7 o'clock. It's very important slot for online classes. All the working people will come to the 7 o'clock slot. If I think commercially, I will complete this batch quickly, I will start one more batch, I will get more people. Do you want me to complete the batch like that? Or what? No, I want information from you. क्या करना है हमें? After I have done the coding for the backend line by line, you guys are not doing it. What is stopping? What is stopping you people to complete it? Is the time not sufficient? Or is explanation not good? Or is that requirement very difficult? Some things should be there. Some reason should be there because in the entire batch only 2 people completed, remaining people not completed. That means there should be some problem. What is that problem? Is my explanation not clear? Is the time not sufficient? Whatever the code that I have done, are you not able to understand? Is the requirement is very, very, very difficult? What is the problem? Why these many people are not able to do it? Let me tell you when the batch started. Let me check the date also, basically. When our first class happened. Jan 5th. 3 months already completed, guys. Jan 5th our batch started. Jan 5th our batch started, 3 months completed. 3 months, 10 days. Almost 95 days. 100 days completed. 100 days completed. 3 months. Actual duration of the course I told 3.5 months to 3 months. But still we are in the middle. Still we are in the middle. Guys, please respond. What to do? What should I do now? Do you want me to develop the backend once again for the project? Do you want me to develop once again entire project for backend? I have written in front of you every line. Then what else I can do? I explained every requirement. I explained how to analyze. I have written the coding in front of you. Then what else I need to do there? What else I can do? What more? What is there? What is pending there? If I am executing a previous batch project, then definitely you can say that, Ashok, you are not writing the live coding, you are doing the previous batch examples, you are executing. Then definitely that is not accepted. But I am not doing that. I am not executing this project which is done in the previous batch. In front of you, I have done that from the scratch. Yeah guys, let me test my project. It is not working out. If I am waiting for you people. I connected to my cloud database. RDS. My database is up and running in the AWS cloud. This is RDS. In the RDS I have created a MySQL database. User management DB. User management DB available. For the database I got the endpoint. This is the host name of my database server. I configured the database details in my project. First time I'm using MySQL database in this project. In the first mini project we used HTTP database. In this project I'm using MySQL. For that I have added this MySQL connector Java dependency. We need the MySQL driver. So I have added this MySQL driver for our project. Then I configured my properties in the YML file. So JDBC : MySQL : user management DB. This is the URL of my database. Username and password. Driver class I configured. DDL auto I configure with the update. SMTP properties. I have given my mail ID. And I have given my password. For the given mail ID, as I told you, I have enabled less secure apps for that. How to enable less secure apps? Go to less secure apps Gmail. Now, for my main Ashok IT School account mail, I can't do that because two-step verification is there for that. So I have created one dummy mail ID, something like Java project, some dummy mail I have created. For this, I have enabled less secure apps. Allow less secure apps on. I have enabled that so that I can use that mail to perform email operations. operations. Okay. Right. I will configure my correct password in the YML file. I configure my correct password in the YML file. Right. Now go to MySQL connector. I created a connection here. Show the database. Now here I'm using user management as a database name and show tables. Show tables. In my database, tables are created. User account, state master, country master, cities master. Tables are available here. Now, these tables are created when I have started my application. Run boot application. When I create my application, when I run my application, in the properties file, I have configured auto DDL to update. So that's why those tables got created in the database. When you run the project for first time, those tables are created. Okay, my application is running on the port number 9090. Go to that port number, localhost : 9090/swagger-ui.html. I have added Swagger configuration for the project. I have added the Swagger configuration for the project. These are my Swagger endpoints. These are my Swagger endpoints. Okay. Now go to forgot password REST controller, login REST controller, registration REST controller, unlock account REST controller. Now countries. Do you have any countries in the table? Currently response body empty because master tables data is not inserted in the database. These are the static tables, right? Countries, states, cities. Select star from country master. Do you have the data in this? We don't have the data. My table is empty. I have given the queries for you already. How to insert the data? Let's execute these two queries to insert the data into country table. Let's execute these two queries to insert the data into country table. I want to execute the statements. User management.country master is not exist. Use user management. Okay. Now insert into country master. Insert into country master ID, country code, country name. Table user management.country master does not exist. Insert into country master, user management.country master, user management.country master. Run this query. Country ID, country code, country name, user table management country does not exist. Why it is not exist? Show tables. Show databases. These are the databases available. Use the database. Use the database. Show the tables. Tables are available. User account, country master. Select a star from country master. Table is available. Insert this query. User management.country master does not exist. It is not accepting the uppercase. Country ID, country code, country name. Yeah, the lowercase it is working, guys. When I'm giving in the uppercase, it is not working. Okay. Now, second record I am trying to insert. Second record also inserted. Now, in the country, two records are inserted in the country table. Then I need to make everything as lowercase. States master is available. Okay. Now here, how to make uppercase to lowercase? I will use a shortcut in the Eclipse. Let me select this, Control Shift Y. Everything is converted into lowercase. Now take it from here. Now I want to execute these queries now, which are used to insert the data into states. State table. 4 records should be inserted into states because every country 2 states. One, 2, 3, 4. 4 records inserted into states. I need to insert 8 records into cities. I need to insert 8 records into cities. Yeah, convert these cities into lowercase. Control Shift Y is the shortcut to convert them into lowercase. Now select everything, execute this script. Second one, third one, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7, 8. I have inserted cities also. Then do the commit so that your data will be stored permanently in the database. Commit completed. Now select it. Select a star from country master. Select star from country master. 2 records are available in the country. Select a star from, what is the table name? States master. Select a star from states master. 4 states are available. 4 states. First 2 states belongs to first country. Second 2 states belongs to second country. Now let's go for third one. Select a star from cities master. Execute this. There are 8 cities available. We have 4 states. For every state 2 cities are available. So these are first 2 cities belongs to state 1. Second 2 cities belongs to state 2. Third 2 cities belongs to third state. These last 2 cities belongs to fourth state. So 2 countries, 4 states, 8 cities we have. I have committed that. Now go to our Swagger URL. Go to our Swagger URL. Go to registration controller. Check with this. Get countries. Countries URL is there. Click on try it out. Are we getting 2 countries in the JSON format? Key value. Key is 1. Value is India. Key is 2. Value is US. So when I get countries, it is giving me all the countries in the JSON format in the form of key and value. Now let's go to states. Go to states. To get the states, we need to give the country ID. Give the country ID as a 1. That is a path parameter. Click on try it out. Are we getting the states belongs to only that country? I have given the country ID as a 1. Country ID 1 belongs to India. So I got Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka, 2 states. If I give country ID as a 2, click on try it out. New Jersey and Ohio, 2 states I am getting belongs to USA. So states method is also working as expected. Now go to cities. Go to cities. Give the state ID as a 1, which is belongs to Andhra Pradesh. I am getting Vizag and Guntur. These are 2 cities we have. These are the 2 cities we have. Fine. So country, state, cities, drop-downs related methods are working as expected. Give email check. Check the email ID. Try it out. What I am getting? Unique. Because currently in the table, no record is available with this email ID. So that's why when I give this email check with the email ID as a path parameter, it is giving unique. That means there is no record available in the table with the given email ID. Right. Now user record, save the user record. User record method, all the methods are binded to get request. Only this user method is binded to post request. Then select this JSON data. Account status, we no need to provide because we are setting. City ID primary key, no need to set. Then next one, country ID, yeah, assume that country ID is 1. Email ID I am giving, ashokitschool@gmail.com. First name, gender. This data basically will come from Angular form. Currently we don't have Angular, so that's why I am taking this data in the JSON. Password also I no need to set. Phone number, some 1 2 3 4 5. State ID is 1. Country ID is 1. Where is that city ID? City ID also we need to supply. City ID is equal to 1. I'm setting this data. Country ID, date of birth, email, first name, gender, last name, phone number, state ID, city ID. Now click on try it out. It is taking time because it is connecting to SMTP. It is taking time, it is connecting to SMTP. Response body, success. That means my record is created successfully. Response code is the 201. Go to my Gmail and check it. Did I receive that mail from my application or not? Now, can you see? Just now at 8:35 a.m. I got a mail from my application. Okay, open this mail. What is there? Hi Ashok IT. Welcome to Ashok IT family. Your registration is almost completed. Please use below details to unlock your account. Temporary password is this. Click here to unlock.